How to fix update KB5060842 failed to install in Windows 11 24H2. Hello friends, follow the steps to fix any installation problem with June 2025 security update for Windows 11 24H2. First thing first, try to install the update from Microsoft Update Catalog. Go to the video description and click on the link to Microsoft Update Catalog. You will reach this page. Here you can see 3 files. Determine which file is compatible with your system. For this, check the system type first. Click on Start. Select Settings. Go to System. Scroll down. Click on About. Here is System type. 64-bit operating system. x64 based processor. For version 24H2 x64 based systems, this file is compatible with my system. Determine yours and click on the download button for the respective file. Click on both the links. Let the files download. Once done, click on the File Explorer icon from the taskbar. Select Downloads, which is generally the download folder. This is KB5060842. Right click on this MSU file and select Open. Preparing the installation. Do you want to install the following Windows software update? Click on Yes. Now Windows Update packages are being copied to Windows Update cache. Once completed, you will have to restart your computer. The installation will be completed after 2 or 3 restarts. The next method is Run Windows Update Troubleshooter. Click on Search, type Troubleshoot. Click on Troubleshoot Settings. Select Other Troubleshooters over here. For Windows Update, click on Run. Select the option I can download, install or uninstall an update. Can we run the Windows Update automated diagnostic? Click on Yes. Problem diagnosed. Did this resolve the problem? If your problem is solved, then click on Yes. Otherwise, click on No. Run the Windows Update error check diagnostic. Click on Continue. If the security update is downloaded here, restart your computer and install the update. Else, if the problem persists, you can contact support. If the issue still persists, then modify services. Click on Search, type Services. Click on Services. We will make changes in 4 services here that affect Windows Update process. The first one is App Readiness Service. Right click on the App Readiness Service. Select Properties. For every service that we will make changes, the startup type will be automatic. If it is not automatic, we will click on the drop down and select Automatic. And for every service, service status should be running. If the service status is stopped, then we will click on Start. Let's start from the App Readiness Service. The startup type is already automatic. The service status is stopped. So click on Start. Click on Apply. Click on OK. Right click on App Readiness. Select Restart. Then look for Background Intelligent Transfer Service. This one. Right click on this service. Select Properties. Change the startup type to automatic. Service status is already showing running, so leave it as it is. Click on Apply. Click on OK. Right click on Background Intelligent Transfer Service. Select Restart. Then look for Cryptographic Services. This one. Right click on this service. Select Properties. The startup type is already automatic. The service is running already. So click on OK. Right click on the cryptographic service, select restart. Click on yes. Now we will come to Windows Update. This is Windows Update service. Right click on this service, select properties. Startup type is showing automatic, so nothing is needed. Service status is showing stopped, so we will click on start. Click on OK. Right click on the Windows Update service and select restart. Once done, close the services window and check for updates. Click on start, select settings, click on Windows Update and click on check for updates. If the security update is downloaded, restart your computer and complete the installation. The next method is reset Windows Update components. Resetting Windows Update components through a downloadable file is rather easier. So use this method first. Go to the video description. You will find this link there. Click on this link. A file will be downloaded in your default browser. After downloaded, click on this folder icon. This is a zip file. So click on extract all. Click on extract. Right click on this file, wu_reset2.0.bat and select run as administrator. Click on yes on the user account control. Press a key on your keyboard. Do you want to continue this operation? Type Y and press enter. Let the process complete. Again press any key on the keyboard. Once done, close the running tasks and restart your computer. Then try to install the update. If this method don't work, uninstall third-party antivirus or any program that may interfere with the Windows Update process. Right click on Start, select Installed Apps, find the antivirus program in the list. To be fair, I have not installed any third-party antivirus. I am showing you an example here. Suppose this is the third-party antivirus. Then click on three dots here, select uninstall and click on uninstall. Click on yes. If any uninstallation wizard appear, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the removal. Then again restart your computer and check for updates. If the problem still occur, then something is wrong with system files or Windows image file. To repair the system files and Windows image file, you will have to run these commands and this command. This command will repair system files and these commands will repair Windows image file. For this, open the command prompt first. Click on search, type cmd, right click on command prompt, select run as administrator, click on yes, go to the video description and copy the dism command, first line, paste into the command prompt and hit enter. Copy the restore health command from the description, paste into the command prompt and press enter. Copy the start component cleanup command, paste into the command prompt. This is automatically scanned. Now copy the SFC command, system files checker command, Paste into the command prompt and hit enter. After completing the task, close the command prompt, close other running tasks, and restart your computer. Then try to install the security update. If any of the methods don't work, then you will need to perform in place upgrade. For this, launch a browser. Type Windows 11 download. Press enter. Click on this link. Download Windows 11. Scroll down and reach download Windows 11 disk image ISO for x64 devices. Click on select download. Select this option from the drop down. If you are having ARM64 devices, then go to this link and follow the steps accordingly. For x64 devices, click on download now. Select the product language. Click on choose one. Here are the list of languages. Check the language of your system first. Click on start. Select settings. Click on time and language. Go to language and region. Windows display language, English United States. Close the settings app and select English United States here. If your system has a different language, then select the different option here. Click on confirm. Click on 64-bit download. Let the download complete. Once completed, click on the File Explorer icon from the taskbar. Go to Downloads, which is generally the download location. Right click on the downloaded ISO file. Select Mount. Click on Open on the security warning pop-up. Right click on setup.exe and select Open. Click on Yes. And check this box. Checking this box will take much more time. So uncheck this box and click on Next. On the applicable notices and license terms window, click on Accept. Finally, click on Install. Let the installation complete. The computer will restart multiple times during the installation. That's all, friends. Thanks for watching the video.